Hello. Welcome to Mrcrazytech YouTube channel. In this channel, you watch tech videos, computer tips and tricks and much more about hacking related videos. So please, if you are the newbies, and you are not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.
Welcome, friend. However, based on the current trends in the editing app market, here are some popular editing apps that may continue to be popular in 2023. 1. Adobe Lightroom, a powerful photo editing app that offers a wide range of editing tools and presets. 2. 𝐓𝐿ight, known for its creative editing features, 𝐓𝐿ight offers advanced tools for manipulating and enhancing photos. 3. Canva, while not solely an editing app, Canva offers a wide range of design tools and template. 4. PicsArt, a comprehensive photo editing app that includes tools for editing, collage making, and adding artistic effects. 5. Afterlight, this app offers a range of filters, textures, and editing tools to enhance your photos. 6. Facetune, primarily used for portrait editing, Facetune allows users to retouch and enhance facial features. 7. VSCO, known for its film-inspired filters and advanced editing tools, VSCO is popular among photographers and social media enthusiasts. 8. Pixlr, a user-friendly photo editing app with a variety of filters, overlays, and editing tools. 9. 𝐓𝐿ight, known for its creative editing features, 𝐓𝐿ight offers advanced tools for manipulating and enhancing photos. 10. InShot, popular among video editors, InShot provides a range of editing tools and effects for creating and editing videos. 10. 𝐓𝐴𝐻𝐿, this app offers a variety of editing tools for both photos and videos, including filters, effects, and retouching options. 12. Polar, known for its powerful editing tools and AI-driven features, Polar offers a range of options for enhancing and retouching photos. 13. KineMaster, a feature-rich video editing app that allows users to create professional-looking videos with multiple layers, effects, and transitions. 14. Prisma, this app uses AI technology to transform photos into artistic masterpieces by applying various artistic filters and styles. 15. CapCut, developed by ByteDance, the creators of TikTok, CapCut is a video editing app that offers a range of features, including filters, effects, and transitions. 16. Bonus app, Filmora X, a desktop video editing software that may continue to gain popularity in 2023 due to its user-friendly interface and powerful editing features. Remember, these are just potential options based on current trends. The popularity of editing apps can vary over time, so it's always a good idea to explore.
I hope that you understand well, so if this video was helpful for you guys, then subscribe Mrcrazytech YouTube channel for more interesting updates. So best of luck and we'll be meet within next video. Take care, goodbye.